Hope you were able to explore the datasets NLTK offers interactively. Now, we will review the corpora NLTK provides. By the end of this video, you should be able to describe what corpus means, list some datasets in the NLTK corpora, and recite the basic features of the movie reviews corpus in NLTK. NLP techniques depends on large amounts of text or other linguistics data. These digital collections are called corpora altogether. Another word you will hear is a corpus, which is the singular form of corpora. As you have seen in our brief live session, NLTK provides means to download some of these large datasets. After importing NLTK, you were able to interact with the download interface for all of these datasets using NLTK download, and more specifically, we downloaded the movie review corpus to start processing our notebook. The movie reviews corpus was downloaded in your home folder. So if you list directories under this folder, you will see that the corpus has 2,000 reviews, half of which are positive and other half negative. Each review in these files or directories has a significant amount of text, not just short opinions on movies, averaging around 800 words. Let's now switch to our notebook to look at some of these reviews. Let's continue from where we left and import the movie reviews we downloaded. So we'll go to our next code line. It says from nltk.corpus, import movie reviews. I'm going to execute that one. The file IDs method provided by all the datasets in NLTK corpus gives access to a list of all the files available. We can look at the length of this list using the len function, but first let's find out all the files that we got from our corpus. Maybe the top 5 files, which are in the negative neg folder, and we see the file names, and the bottom 5 files. But again, this is a list. So we can actually run the length operation for both of these lists. So if we wanted to get the length of movie reviews, all of them, all the reviews that the movie reviews gives us using the file IDs, we could have done len movie reviews here. Okay. When we looked at the negative fields and positive fields, we saw that it started with the negative reviews and switched over to positive reviews in the post directory. So it shows us there are 2 directories. 1,000 of them are negative reviews, and 1,000 of them for positive. And in line 7 here, in 7, what we've done is we've filtered the list as positive and negative categories. We saw that we had 2 equal lists for each. So we could also inspect one of the reviews using the row method of movie reviews. Each file is split into sentences, and the curators of this dataset also removed from each review from any direct mention of the rating of the movie. So in the next code line, we get that positive file ID 0, the first review in the positive reviews. And here is the review. It's indeed a significant amount of text, but how do we start working with this text? One way is to tokenize this text. In the next video, we will talk about this technique to tokenize any text like this and use it for natural language processing.